Good morning. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hopefully you're having a great day or you got some plans. If you're here, maybe you got some sun. There's a little bit of sun out there. There you are. Okay, so on to meal prepping. All right, so first things first, I'm doing some taco chicken. So let's start. I chopped up some chicken super quick. This is the chicken thighs. It is 6 thighs. So it should get us at least to Wednesday for dinner for lunches, but we'll see how that goes. Sometimes it ends up being dinners. You never know. So there is the seasonings of our taco. So I put a bit of water in, and then, so I'm gonna cook it basically in water, not oil or anything like that. Basically in taco broth. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna just make some boiled eggs for breakfast. So, just because I went to make my protein balls and realized I didn't really have any peanut butter or anything, so that's on the list. To get, I'm going to use the round steamer today to do our broccoli cheddar soup. All right, so 2 cups of milk of some sort. I'm using our almond milk. You can use whatever you like. Does want a little bit of water. We'll see how much water I'm going to put in. There's 1.5 cups of water. So I'll do 1 first, and then the seasoning. And the broccoli cheddar soup today is really for making pasta. And I don't have anything to stir with. Because Victor would like our cheddar broccoli pasta. So we do have some leftover of that fancy pastas, pappardelle, whatever, the long pasta. So we'll use it on that today for our dinner. Leftover, for lunch I have leftovers from yesterday. I made that steak General Tao stir fry. Hello, Nicole. And so that's what's for lunch today. All right, so just mixed up the seasonings. Now I'm going to put in the broccoli. I went with frozen today. And it says it's all right, about 3 cups frozen, just because you know it doesn't actually go out, and then I will put those back. They were actually cheaper than the fresh broccoli. So there we go. And got 2 containers of those. And Farm Boy isn't normally where we shop. Hi. Oh, you made the birthday cake. Oh, that's lovely. I hope he loved it, making it and eating it. Hello, Ashley, Marie. So okay, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I'm gonna start with just 2 minutes and then just see how it goes. Actually, I haven't made it in the microwave yet, so this is the first time. Standardly, it's on the stove, but as I said, it's just a pasta sauce for later today, so I don't need to overdo it. Okay, chicken is coming along. I'm just gonna toss the seasoning in. Not to make too much of a mess. Okay, so the seasonings, chicken. I'm just going to turn it down to half, the water boiling. By the way, this saute pan is also on sale right now. Just a heads up, if you do not have a really good saute pan, ours is awesome. We use it every day. Yeah, so I'm just saying, we use it every day. It's really awesome. saute pan, because it's actually, if you saw me the other one, it actually, you can put the full length of spaghetti in it and it doesn't stick out, so you can boil up your pasta in it, which we do a lot. Obviously stir fries, obviously browning stuff, obviously even like if you're making a stew, maybe you want to put it in the oven afterwards, it can go in the oven afterwards. That's what I love about our product. A lot of it can go from the stove to the oven, which is great. Like the wok, which is also on sale, by the way, can also do that. So yeah, if you were looking at big price items that we might have, this is a good time to grab them because they're on sale. Okay, so honey garlic meatballs, because Ontario pork was on sale at Farm Boy. I know, again, we don't normally buy from there unless we're out of something quick and just want to make something. But it's actually pretty good ribs if you're into meat. If you're not, look away, look away. Anyway, so I'm going to try to use the same container and kind of just marinate them a little bit with the honey garlic seasonings. Doesn't need to be a lot, bit of water. I use a little bit of soy sauce for giving the sodium amount that I can handle. I'm also better with our tamarind gluten-free soy sauce than a lot of other things. And then a little bit of water. And then I'll just wrap it back up so it doesn't spill everywhere. Massage all that. Find somewhere for it to lean for a moment. And then there you go. That's honey garlic ribs. And then the other piece is I will make the sauce so that it's ready to go as well. So, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so 3/4 cups of water and then a tablespoon of honey. I'm gonna get some honey here. And this will just go in the microwave until it thickens and then goes in the fridge to be ready to go with the pork ribs tomorrow. So basically I'm going to marinate the pork ribs for 24 hours or more. And yeah, and then that's for tomorrow. And then obviously leftovers for the next day. All right. So definitely, it didn't overflow or anything like that, so just got to keep going. So 2 minutes at a time is comfortable for me, but you could probably have done 5. I just don't want it to overflow and make a mess. And as I said, I'm trying it out, so we'll amp it up to 3 minutes. All right, chicken is looking good. I cut the chicken into strips, so it's going to cook up faster than just leaving it into the thighs pieces. Coming along. Okay, and then this will just go in the microwave and then cook for about a minute at a time until I get the consistency. And that's kind of it. Not much I'm doing this morning. The leftover of the broccoli and cheddar that we won't eat for today, I'm going to put into our freezer cubes for later meals for later. The ribs will be for 2 meals, so that will cover Monday night, Tuesday lunch, for Vic, or for maybe a dinner, depending on how that goes. The broccoli, the thingy, the taco chicken, that's in essence lunches for the next couple of days. So I do a lot of like either salads or wraps or something, so it just depends. So the taco salad maybe I'll make, or a little wrap. We have avocados and tomatoes and all that, so I can do that sort of thing. The vegetables are already prepared. We need to get some vegetables probably by Wednesday, but we're good for the moment. So some snacking veggies and all that kind of stuff. And that's, yeah, and so that's set up. And then we have some fish, some frozen fish in the freezer, that's already portioned out, so frozen that way. And we're going to do like our fish sticks with the crispy, crunchy coating. One, because I used up some and I want to use up the rest, and then we'll probably need more for the amount of fish that it is, and we'll bake it. So you can use yogurt, sour cream, mayo, whatever you want. kind of mix that around on the fish, and then put it into the coating, and then bake it. I bake it on the racks in the sheet pan so that it cooks from the bottom and the top, and so you don't have mushy bottoms. Who wants mushy bottoms? No, I'm kidding. So you do that. The thing we'll also do is I will add another flavor to this, rotisserie or balsamic vinaigrette or something to add a little extra different flavors. Caesar dressing, would that be great? Something like that. And just add a couple of tablespoons and to whatever flavor, to this, whatever flavoring or whatever you make. So it could be zucchini, it could be pickles, you could do any of that. Oh yeah, I might do pickles again. We did pickles the last time and it was actually pretty good. So yeah, so that's the plan for this week. Okay, so that's good. I'll show you the chicken here. So it's coming along nice. So I'm just going to turn it down low to finish it off. The chicken is pretty much cooked. I can add in my eggs. Couple at a time. There we go. So 6 eggs. And there we are. Check on the broccoli. Yep, coming along good. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's all the food prepped and ready to go pretty much, just the last few minutes. But since I'm here, I thought I would do a show and tell just to so you could kind of see how the items that are on sale I do actually have in my house and use. So let me make sure I'm correct. Yeah, so our muffin maker is on sale and you get 2 of these. Like 6 on each just because it can go in the microwave or it can go in the oven. And you can do 6 at a time. So obviously muffins, little bites, crab cakes, anything like that, it's great. Our awesome rectangular steamer is on sale. This one comes with a tray. So the tray is for one helping you with better rice. So your cup and a half or 2 cups of rice, double the water, sorry. Put this on top, put it in the microwave 10 minutes or so, depending on the type of rice you have. And boom, you've got rice and it doesn't overflow. That's what this helps with. And you can flavor it, quinoa, whatever you like, and that's awesome. Also, the tray is also for doing bacon, also for doing 2 layers. So if you wanted to have your veggies on top and your protein on the bottom and make a whole meal with same flavors, you can totally do that. It's also great for cakes and things like that. So that is the rectangular steamer. Admittedly, I use the round steamer more, but that's just me because I like the round steamer. Other is our cool donut maker here for bagels or donuts and anything. So cake mix, put it in here, cook them, you can. This one is not in the catalog, by the way. This one is going away. So if you're interested in grabbing it because that was something you wanted, it's a good time to get it because it's also on sale. The roll-up rack, look at that, it's huge. Right, so this is great for extending your sink for dishes or things. It is great for drying stuff or baked goods and things like this. It's great for putting over top of your stove and putting something on that. Rolls up like this, so it's great. Easy. Like what I love about a lot of our products is that they easily store. So whether they're thin and can stack or light or whatever, and then this it's pretty cool. So that's and it's something of interest. If you camp, it'll be great for camping. Don't want it on the picnic table or any of that kind of stuff. And what else? Oh, we have our awesome skewers. Skewers is the word. So this awesome thing moves it along, and then there's a little stopper so it doesn't pop right off. And there's 6 in here, and it comes with a little container to hold it all in. So it's pretty awesome. That's on sale. It's actually ahead of our getting ready for April, because April will be our new season, which is spring and summer, which means barbecuing, which means all that kind of stuff. Our 3-in-1 burger press is also there and on sale. You can actually make 3 different kinds of burgers. Baby sliders, the ones with the burgers with the little hole in the middle, stuffed burgers, and then just regular burgers. Or you can make ice cream cakes with this. Sandwiches, sorry. It's really good. Basting brush, use this all the time. I have 2 on the go. Scoops, there's a 2 tablespoon scoop if you're into scooping. A rectangular steamer, which is one of my favorites. We use this all the time for like some fruit to turn into a sauce. And that freaking hair, okay. Vegetables, making a loaf, it's awesome for all that. Another thing ready for the grill is our cool meat thermometer, like that, so it's pretty awesome. And then the thing that I use whenever I bake is our cool pastry mat, and you can see there is measurements all over it, and then it's easy to clean and figure out what you're making. And then of course something, as I said, we may use all the time is our cool sheet pan. So this is the big one, and the cooling racks are also on sale. You get 2, and the liner is also on sale. So something we use all the time is on sale, which is pretty awesome. And I probably missed 1 or 2 items that are on sale, but there you go. Those are the things that are available, and these are the things you can pretty much make with it. Out of the way. Oh, yeah, these are also on sale. All right. Oh, there we go. All right, so the cheddar and broccoli has thickened up nicely. The broccoli is definitely cooked and soft, so I'll just use the immersion blender on it, and that will be our sauce. Or I could choose not to use the immersion blender. I don't know yet. Maybe he wants chunky for pasta, but there we go. All done. So that was 8 minutes with the round steamer in the microwave for the broccoli and cheddar soup. And then same, about 10 minutes for the chicken. This one is done. I like a little sauce left over in case I decide to put it into a sandwich or put it on rice or something like that. So there's the very steamy chicken. And I will shut off the water for the eggs and let that finish. And then I will put this honey garlic in the microwave for a minute at a time, and then that's it. So how long have I been? 20 minutes. All right, I guess we're good. So thank you for hopping on. If you're watching the replay, hashtag replay, ask your questions. What are you guys doing for meal prep this week? What's on plan? Anything you want to know about the stuff that's on sale, let me know. I either can do a show and tell just on that one, talk about what I do, or just give you the details if you're looking for more details on it. Feel free to reach out. It is the 25th of February, so we have, 5 days or so left of February. So there's still time to have an event if you wanted that free chocolate cake, or if you want to get in on the March host special, which is the coquettes. Or if you just want some freebies, let me know. We can hook you up. There's still time to join if you're thinking about, well, I can do all that myself and still get paid. Please do. It's awesome. Why not get paid for what you're buying, what you're doing? And you get a free pink hat and a summerberry dip to go along with your joining access pass that you would get, which comes with some catalogs and access to the back office and all that. And then from there, you can just buy the things you like, or you can get in on our welcome bundles, which are like almost 30% off if you want to do that. So anyway, reach out to me or your ambassador if you're interested in anything that I've talked about today. Otherwise, just happy Sunday. I hope you have a sunny day out there, and talk soon.